Today we're going to be doing the 3 markers challenge. As you can see with all our markers here, we've got 3 rounds. The unicorn round, which we're going to do first. Then we're going to do the sweet round. And then we're going to do the dinosaur round. As you see, we've got Sharpies, so you need something under them. Under our pictures, we've got cardboard, like a board. So let's get to it.
So I'm going to pick first 3 markers out of here.
Close your eyes.
Red. I'm quite happy with red.
Orange. I'm not too sure if I wanted those colours.
Wait, aren't we? Yep.
And blue. Now it's my turn to choose the colours. What did I get?
Orange.
I don't like this colour. I don't know what to do with that colour.
I think I've got a good idea.
Yellow?
Yellow's a real red colour.
Yeah.
Blue.
Oh my gosh, I've got the worst colours in the world, literally.
Yeah. So we're going to get started with our colouring in.
Yeah. So I'm going to be using these 3 markers, and I'm so excited because I'm going to use this marker for the clouds.
So I'm going to be using red for the rainbow, then orange, and then blue. And then do the rest of the rainbow again.
So right now we're in our dining room because our dad's making our lunch in the kitchen. But it's going to take him an hour because we're having jacket potatoes. I was really hoping, shall I pick out the colours that I were really hoping to have? I just dropped a marker, I'm going to pick it up.
Shall I pick it up?
I wanted this one really bad. I also wanted that one really bad. And I wanted those 3 markers really bad.
For a dinosaur?
No, for the unicorn.
But what about for the dinosaur? You can't switch.
For the dinosaur, I'm going to be having a green. I'm going to be hoping for a green. Because there's a lot of different types of greens in here, isn't there? That will be good for a dinosaur. Those are all the greens, guys.
You could do the dinosaur blue.
Yeah.
Now I've done the whole entire bit of red.
Yeah, and I've done the whole entire cloud. I really need black.
Black?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
The line?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm going to draw it with this colour. The orange.
The orange looks very similar to the red, doesn't it? The orange?
Yeah, on yours, yeah. Just show the camera.
It looks really similar.
Yeah, because on the camera, like, it'll look more similar.
Yeah. Look.
Then it doesn't real. I've done 2 clouds now. I'm getting close to have done all the clouds.
I'm still doing the rainbow. The rainbow is really, really hard.
So, guys, we have got some thin pens like that.
Yeah,
which are really thin.
Yeah.
But
because it's even better. Yeah, because it's even better.
We've got quite a few actually. So we've got these 2. We've got different types of greens and blue. We've got a pink.
We got loads.
We've got an orange, I think. Orange. Oh, it's red. Guys, do you think that is a red or an orange? I think it's orange.
I think it's probably... I don't even know.
Yeah, because it might say on it. No, it doesn't. I think it only says it on Crayola.
Crayola.
Pens.
Yeah, Crayola.
Pencils.
Crayola.
Crayola.
Crayola. It's really
So
tight.
guys,
Yeah.
you are going to be voting
Which one is the best?
in the comments which one you think is the best, and then whoever wins, oh no, might get a little prize.
Yeah, on the next video that we do a competition like this, we'll tell you who wins the prize.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really hope it's me, because you know how parents like always want it to be the younger ones, because the younger ones have a bit more of a like tantrum if they lose, and they don't want, and parents don't want that. So then I always have to lose, and it's really.
But I'm not happy that I won, because I don't want to win the prize, because it's always a bad prize for me.
I like the prizes.
And anyway, whoever loses, they have to do a punishment, and we'll show you on the next video.
Yeah. Like, not a punishment, a consequence. Wait,
Yeah.
it's a punishment.
It's a punishment.
It's a punishment.
Yeah. But
it's
like
kind of the same. It's kind of the same.
Yeah, it's like a dare.
Yeah, it's kind of like a dare. I think I colour faster than you.
Yeah, because I'm younger. But I'm neater than you, aren't I?
Yeah, yours is pretty much well neater than mine.
Yeah.
Are you going to leave the clouds white? Or are you going to colour them?
I'm going to colour them.
Like, what colour are you going to colour them?
Blue.
Okay. Just like draw a line, like I did, look. Funny.
Yeah, like you're stopping somewhere, yeah.
I drew a line because like there's not lines there underneath the clouds. I think like because we printed them out, I think the printer like cut them off. Because it did show it on the picture on the screen on the computer.
But I didn't have them.
It kind of looks really weird when you cut it off. Do you know on the top one where like half the cloud is missing?
Yeah.
It's really weird.
Yeah, it's so weird, isn't it?
Yeah. It's weird that you can't draw the rest with the black, because I would usually draw the rest with the black pen.
Yeah.
But you can.
Yeah. I'm just going to whisper something to you.
I'll just tell you what he said, because
she is obsessed with it.
Yeah, like I love doing American accents because I love their accent. Yeah. I love it so much. But I'm British. I'm from Great Britain.
Mhm. She's in England.
Yeah.
We both live from England.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
we're British.
Great Britain.
Who do you think it's more rude? Is it more rude to stare or whisper?
I think
it's more rude to whisper.
I think it's more rude
because if you stare, like you're just looking at someone for a very long time. It don't
yeah,
really
look, I'm staring at you.
That's kind of creepy. You're staring at the wall, not me.
I'm staring at your eyes.
That's really creepy. So guys, I'm on the last cloud right now. And I'm like real close to being done with the clouds. The clouds, the clouds in the sky. The orange clouds. The orange cloud, the orange clouds. I'm done the orange clouds. Woo! Right.
Betty?
Yeah.
What is your most favourite thing to do?
Probably do something active, maybe. It depends what mood I'm in, because sometimes I'm not in the mood for colouring.
Yeah.
I'm not in the mood for colouring. I just want to scribble, and then sometimes
she just wants to
colouring.
and sometimes she just wants to throw everything around.
I think it's singing. I love to sing.
Betty.
Yeah.
Do you know when you want to flip out? Yeah. You even got in a mood then, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because
I get in moods a lot.
Yes.
Time.
I never get in a mood.
Yeah, Ronnie's a good boy.
Yeah. Because every day we go to school, Betty has an argument.
I don't like to get up.
And she don't like her head being done.
Yeah.
Because Mum always be late for work.
No, Dad's always taking us to work.
Yeah. So Dad has to do your hair, don't he?
Yeah, because Mum has to go work early. Once I was still in bed when Mum wasn't even home.
Yeah. What was I gonna say?
Just don't say it if you forget it.
Betty's got real ugly hair.
No, I'm not. I've had a shower this morning.
Well, sometimes you do.
Yeah, sometimes I do.
Yeah. In the morning she does, don't you?
Yeah, I've brushed it this morning.
Yeah.
Not that I brush it. Well, sometimes I don't actually brush it every day.
Sometimes she just leaves it like that, don't you? Every morning, Betty's always in a mood, aren't you?
Well, not every morning.
And probably every day she's in a mood.
Well, no. Not every day. Not every day.
Well, not every day. Not if we're doing fun stuff.
Like today, I'm hardly in a mood. I'm hardly.
When we was about to go to the halfway house, every time, Betty was shouting when we have to try to go to the halfway house.
It's a pub.
Yeah.
If you don't know.
Yeah.
It's a pub that we really like.
Yeah. Because it sells the best.
So guys, I've done.
But
we went to body, which is blue.
But we went to the healthy hut.
Yeah, we went to the healthy hut, which was more yummier.
Yeah, it was more yummier, and it took less time to make.
Yeah, less time.
Yeah, it took 10 or 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
20. I don't know.
At least 15.
So I've done
minutes.
3 clouds.
Yeah. I've done this much so far.
Can I see better?
Yeah.
Oh, you've done actually more than me. So now done. Oh, are you serious? I've got 2 more clouds to do.
I'm keeping my picture very basic. Ronnie, what's your favourite YouTuber?
I think it's Fun Squad.
Kids Fun TV.
Kids Fun TV. SAK. Kids.
Superhero Kids.
Superhero Kids and Ninja Kids.
Superhero Kids, Ninja Kids, and
Fun Squad.
Fun Squad.
Yeah, Fun Squad.
Wait, so Ninja Kids, Kids Fun TV, and Superhero Kids. Right, mine, I only have one favourite YouTuber. I love watching the Labyrinth Fam. Love watching the Labyrinth.
And that's my fourth thing that I love.
I love Everly and Posy and Zealand. They're just all so cute.
Don't.
That's just the doorbell ringing.
Yeah, it's a parcel.
It's probably a parcel.
It's probably always every parcel that we get
go
is
check.
from Mum.
I'm gonna go
my
check.
sister's gonna check because she's
and Ronnie's gonna stay there.
Yeah, because I'm not nearly done. Whose is it?
It's just a parcel.
It's Mummy's because
it's just a parcel.
It's always Mummy's parcel because she just.
Yes, we do have a very funny sounding doorbell.
Yeah. I don't know what it sounds. I don't even know what the sound it sounds like.
I don't know if you guys heard the doorbell or not.
Yeah, I don't know. But
I hope you did, so you know what funny sound it makes.
Yeah, because it's very funny. It probably rings every single day 3 times.
The parcelmen, when they come, they probably recognise us.
Yeah, because they come to our house too much.
My mum orders so many parcels.
She orders about 1 million, doesn't she?
Yeah, but it's for her. She likes to order parcels.
Yeah, but sometimes it's for her, but it's for us because she ordered it.
Yeah, I do gymnastics, and not a while ago, my gymnastics gloves came that I use on the back.
I do gymnastics as well. I know it's kind of funny that boys do gymnastics.
No, it's not, Ronnie, because quite a lot of boys do gymnastics.
But not as much as girls. In high group, there's no boys, isn't there?
Well, in the high group, there is no boys, but boys do gymnastics up quite a lot. Girls do gymnastics is every single sport is a boy and girl sport. Football is even.
Tennis is. Basketball?
Yeah, that's a random one. Yeah, that's a random one, but yeah. I'm going to put my name in blue at the top. I've done now. So I'm going to show you my final product. This is my final product. Ronnie, do you want to see my final product?
So how many lines are on there?
Lines?
Yeah, lines.
What do you mean?
How many lines is there on there?
What do you mean lines?
Lines for the rainbow.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, and look, I used another colour. Joking, I mixed them together.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get a drink.
So I'm still doing the rainbow. How did you get one that quick?
It was on the table. It was just
Blue next. Can you go get me the one that's from my dad? Betty, my drink.
Oh yeah. We made a den this morning.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Wait, can I just make you a new one?
No. It's only upstairs. You can jump in my side. Why? No.
You can wipe it.
No. I'll do it without that on.
Right. Wait, what? Oh. Like this.
Did you spit water into it?
No.
Oh. Why was you laughing then? Ah. So it's been 4 hours.
No, it's been 40 minutes. Just do the hair now. Just do the hair. The thin ones, the Sharpies with thin points, called ultra fine points. I'll draw on the camera with it. Joking. Why would I do that? It costs a lot of money. I didn't. 3, 2, 1. Ronnie's done.
So
right.
Betty, you show your picture now. Now I'm going to have a look.
So this is my picture. And then this is Ronnie's picture.
Just take it off and show it.
And I'll show you both at the same time so you can vote. Which one do you think is the best? Mine or Ronnie's? Vote in the comments. If you think Ronnie's, put Ronnie's. Type Ronnie. If you think mine, Betty's, put Betty in the comments. Or Betty's or Ronnie's.
Yeah. So let's move on to the dinosaur.
I'm going to pick my 3 colours first. You need to put your colours there. Make sure the lids are all on.
The dinosaur's going to be pretty easy for me if I get a green.
Right, no, I'm not. Right, shuffle them.
Shuffle.
I'm gonna choose that.
That's
one.
not a green.
No, I chose it.
You can't look.
Right, I've got this one. Gonna grab that one. And that one. I got 2 greens and a purple.
I wanted a green.
Well, you still got 2.
Those are like blues.
Right. Put your hands in.
Wait.
Those are green. That's turquoise-ish green. Right. Yeah. Blue.
I hate this.
Right now.
Wait. Oh, forget turquoise.
Oh, you got turquoise.
Wait.
Stop cheating, cheater.
I really want this colour. No, wait.
Stop. Right. You got 2 of the same colours. Right, which one do you want to keep?
Actually got...
Which one do you want to keep?
That one.
Right, we'll put that back. We'll take that over. Right, now. Right. Black would also be a good one, wouldn't it? Right. How about I give you one?
No.
Right.
Wait, you have to look at every single colour. Right, there's lots of good colours. Namaste.
Purple. Right, let's get on to the video. So I'm doing underneath his body purple. So I'm just colouring the spikes on the back of his back. Spikes up his back. Spikes up his back.
I'm real hungry, aren't you?
A bit, yeah. Hi guys! We've just had lunch. It's afternoon now.
Yeah.
And we're carrying on with our dinosaur pictures. Let's carry on.
I'm not even nearly done, look.
Yeah, Ronnie is such a way off with...
No, look at this little colour. That's doing that for me. It's doing the worst colouring in.
Wait, is that the same colour? We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can use that one if you want.
I'm using the big one because it was...
Yeah, it's
really
not really cheating because it's the same colour.
Yeah, same colour. Now we're talking about it.
Guys, I'm done. This is my final product.
Finishing touch.
Finishing touch.
I'm still quite slow. So guys, I have
So we've done both of our dinosaurs. So we're gonna show you now. So this is mine. This is Ronnie's.
let's see.
And this is mine. And this is both of ours. Can you see them both? Yeah. Right. Now we're gonna move on to our sweetie picture, but we've only got this much colours left. So it's likely that we'll get a black in this one.
Yeah.
I'm scared. So Ronnie's gonna go first.
Oh, it's actually good if I get a black.
Right, this time you can't look, Ronnie.
Wait, I'm just Betty's going first.
Right. I got this purple, guys. I'm so excited.
Did you shut your eyes?
Yeah. Guys, did I?
Did she?
This one.
She's got a right colour.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Right.
Right, cover my eyes, Gonna go for that one. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at my colours for this. Guys.
I've not got more likely
So
to
good.
get them.
Yeah, you're gonna be with real bad colours, right?
Okay, right, go.
My pink is good. No.
Okay.
Dark blue.
I hope I don't get a black.
You got black. Right, these are the colours remaining. There are 6 more colours remaining. Right. Yeah,
All the pinks things
let's get started, and all the blacks and all the blues and all the reds and all the peaches and all the greys. Right, let's get to it. By the way, go ahead and watch the 2 videos that we've already posted.
Yeah, it's called Little Fidget. Well,
Little Fidgets go fidget hunting, and then
3 packs challenge.
Yeah, the 3 packs challenge.
3 packs.
Those are 2 videos that are uploaded. And also I am doing, it is in Little Fidgets channel, but I'm doing every night, I'm gonna choose like a children's book and read it to all the little children who like bedtime stories at my bedtime. And what about you, Ronnie?
Wait, I'm gonna use the black actually. Got a great idea for a sweet.
Can I see?
Look, Betty, watch.
Oh, cool. It looks like a rotten lollipop. Do you think girls?
Vote that, boys, vote that
Do you
0%. Don't do any subscribes to that. Little
Girls and boys
rubbish
subscribe
piece.
to this.
Subscribe.
Girls, boys,
I'll show you after.
to this.
So, boys, subscribe to this. Girls, subscribe to this. You better subscribe to it.
Yes, subscribe to everything.
Except from Betty's rubbish truck. Well,
She's telling YouTubers not to subscribe.
Well, not to her work, but to our channel.
subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel, but not to that piece of work. What about if we get to 100 likes, Betty?
100, I will be so happy.
Yeah.
100 people, that's so much people.
Yeah. What about 1,000?
Whoa, I will be crying.
Yeah, me too. It will be the best, won't it?
Yeah. I'll be famous.
And I'm already famous, so I've done a TikTok.
TikTok. We're not famous on TikTok, guys.
We're not.
I don't even go on TikTok.
We only done one
We've
TikTok.
done one TikTok because our mum don't let us do it because she thinks we're too young.
This is going to be my 5th time using black, Betty. Okay.
I'm done in 3, 2, 1, done.
Betty, you stay here. I'm just going to go ask Mum something.
So as this is my picture.
So I'm just going to finish it off.
I've done all 3 of my pictures, Mum, and Ronnie's finished.
So now we have done
All my pictures. So now we're going to show you all of them, and then you can vote who do you think has won this, and you'll vote in the comments, yeah? And then whoever wins gets a prize, whoever don't win gets a punishment.
Yeah, on the next challenge.
On our next video.
Yeah.
So first we'll show you our sweeties. Whose do you think is the best?
Ronnie's or Betty's? Wait, I didn't write my name.
Now these are our sweetie pictures. Whose do you think is the best? Mine or Ronnie's? Vote in the comments. If you think Ronnie's, put Ronnie. If you think mine, put Betty. Yeah.
Mine's
Now our unicorn. This is the green bit on my unicorn is where I mix the colours. Right, whose unicorn do you think is the best? Mine or Ronnie's? Vote in the comments. Right, now our dinosaur. The biggest one. Whose do you think is the best? Mine or Ronnie's? Thanks for watching Little Fidgets 3 Marker Challenge. Make sure to go hit that subscribe button. Bye!
Bye!